I got you a present today at the Goodwill. Are you excited? Let me go through so that I can put some regular shoes on because I have sandals on, which means you'll try to attack me. Earl, I didn't find you anything. They didn't have any pretty Barbie dolls. It's all good, right? I'll give you a sunflower seed, okay? How about Earl? Can I get through here, please? Sir, I need through. Excuse me. Pardon me. Get out the way. Buster, go. I need through to go get my shoes. Buster, go. I need through. Thank you, sir. Somewhat good listening, right, Earl? Percy was sitting on top of his cage here, and I had to walk outside the room for a second. And he's flexing over here in the windowsill. Come here. Are you looking at the cars? You looking at the cars? Are you having a good time? You want to step up? You want scritchy? Skitch, 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 skitch. You hear Earl? You hear Earl? Nice scritchies. Percy the bird. You're so sweet. Can I have a kiss? Can I have a kiss? Scooch. Here, I have an idea. Look. Come here. Step up. Look. Here's your perch. Go over there. Go get on your perch. Come on. Step up. No, you don't want to step up. Here. Do you want to get on your perch? Come here. Step up. Here. Step up. Thought maybe you would like the perch on your window since you don't like it in the shower. Get up there. You're looking at it. Go, Percy, go. Go, Percy, go. You can do it. You can do it, Percy. I know. You hear Earl? Does that give you a headache? You always twist your head when he does that. It probably hurts your little ears. Go get on your perch. All right, I bet if I walk out of the room, you'll do it. We'll see. I wanted to ask a question to pet owners, specifically parrot owners, because I know the answer to this for my dogs, but I don't know for my parrots and actually my hens. I was asked today if I had my solar eclipse glasses, and I didn't. So I quickly ordered. There's a lightning deal going on Amazon, so I grabbed a pair or a set for all of us, and I got to thinking about the animals, which I know the dogs, they're saying to leave inside. I assume that would include the parrots as well. I mean, that's what I'm going to do, but I'm curious if that's, what you guys, you parrot owners and chicken owners, what are you guys going to do? I mean, I can't hardly put glasses on them. I'll keep my curtains pulled. I'll probably keep Earl and Buster. I might put them in their cage just in case during that time. And I don't think it lasts for very long. I'm not that I need to look up as well. So I'm not very educated on this matter. If you guys have any tips, please comment below. And here's little Percy for cuteness. Right, Percy bird? Buster. What do you think about the solar eclipse? Do you want to wear little birdie glasses? I know, Earl. I'm hilarious. Thanks for that laugh. Yeah. Do you want to wear little birdie glasses for the eclipse? I don't know. I don't know what we're going to do, and how are we going to protect the ladies? I reckon we're just going to put them up and close them up, huh? You think that's a good idea? Earl, what's the word of the day? What's the word of the day? No? No comment? Oh, a kiss is the word of the day. How sweet. Lest you make it hard for me. I have to edit all that.
You done working?
Are you done working?
You done?
I hate that car noise. Where are you going? Where are you going? Dad's that way. No.
Kicking in the
I see him. Go get him, boss. You can fly that far. You can. Cute bird. Are you done? Anything else? Buster, it's past your bedtime. You ready to go to bed? Night, Buster. Do you know what you did? How am I going to explain that to Dad? Yeah, enjoy your breakfast. Buster's newest cockatoo moment. Isn't it beautiful? Good thing Dad doesn't watch his YouTube. Y'all that work with him. Shh. Okay, I'm coming. Oh, hold on. Here you go. And that one's kind of crunchy. I'll get you a softer one. Here you go. Baby Buster. You need a bib. He really likes the oats. I started a video late. Oh well. Let's see where he goes. Where are you going?
Want to see the girls, Buster?
Oh.
Go see the girls. Come on.
It's a nice day, isn't it, Maxie? Nice day to just sit in the sun, huh?
Where are you going? See if he greets them.
Mm-hmm.
Trying to give them grass. So hi, girls.
You can't. You don't have your jammies on. You can't pull up there. I don't know why. He could still climb up, or that's his preferred method.
Hi, girls.
Do you want to feed them? No? Mm.